Alright, so today we're starting the Benco 2025, section 1, test 4. Alright, so we're moving on to question number 1. Question number 1 states, write the number 80,219 in expanded notation. So what we'll do first, we'll write the numerals. So that's 80,219. So we know that will be 8 by 10,000. Add 2 by 100, add 1 by 10, add 9 by 1. Alright, and that's the expanded notation. Number 2, what number is the arrow pointing to on the number line? To find out what the denominator of each one of these strokes will be, or the measurements, we check how many spaces there are between the first number and the last number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. So therefore that means each one of these will have a denominator of 7. Alright, the fraction part. Alright. So we know now that it starts at 1. So all will have a whole number of 1 in front of them. And now we could count in a proper sequence. So this will be 1 7, 2 7, 3 7, 4 7, 5 sevens, 6 sevens, and this here will be 1 and 7 over 7, which is the same as 2. Alright, so the arrow is pointing to 1 and 3 sevenths. Number 3, what is the common factors of 6 and 8? So the factors of 6 are 1 by 6, 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Then the factors of 8 are 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 4 by 2. So the common factors is 1 and 2. Complete the equation below. We know that it is equal, so that means whatever is squared is equal to 144. Based on our square timetable, we know that 12 squared is equal to 144. Number 5. Solve the missing number in the equation below. So we know now that on this side here is plus 72. So if we carry across this plus 72 on the opposite side of the equal sign, it now becomes minus 72. So that means this 72 and this 72 could cancel, which will leave us with 248 on this side and minus 32 on this side. If we carry across this minus 32 on this side, this now becomes 248 plus 32, and that will give us 280. So we know that the box is equal to 280. Number 6, which fraction is equivalent to 3 sevenths? Equivalent means that they are the same. So we have 21 over 49. So if we reduce this now, we can divide both numbers here by 7. 7 could go into 21 3 times, 7 could go into 49 7 times. So we realize that 21 over 49 is the same as 3 sevenths. So therefore the equivalent fraction is 21 over 49. Let's add multiply 365 multiply by 14. Line up the digits. So I'll start on the ones column first. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Add 2 is 26. 3 by 4 is 12. Add 2 is 14. Then we're moving on to the tens digit here. So we say 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. We put that in the tens column because we multiply by the tens digit. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. And 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. And we add. So we got 5,110. Number 8, how much must be added to 756 to make 1,049? So we have some number add 756 will give us a sum of 1049. To find out what the number is, we take 1049 and take away 756, and that will leave us with 293. Number 9, express the shaded portion as a decimal of the whole. So first, we need to find out how much is the whole. So we count it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4 is 20. So we know the total is 20. The shaded portion, we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could represent that as a fraction, which is 8 over 20. And that could reduce to 2/5. Alright, so we know 8 over 20 is 2/5 divided by 4, divided by 4. Alright, so now we want to express this 2/5 as a decimal. To express a fraction as a decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 cannot go into 2, so 5 go into 2 0 times. So we put a point and add a 0 to the quotient, to the dividend, sorry. So 5 into 20 now is 4. 4 by 5 is 20. So we know our answer is 0.4. Carl purchased the bottle shown and paid with two $20 bills. How much change will he receive? So first we need to calculate the total amount of money he paid with. So two $20 bill will be 20 by 2, which is $40. So he paid with $40. Now want to calculate the change. To calculate change, you need to subtract. So you take away the cost of the bottle, which is $36.35. And we subtract. Well, we can't, 0 can't take away 5, so the nearest whole number we could borrow from is the 4. So you take 1 from the 4, here becomes 3, here becomes 10. Now we can take 1 from 10, here becomes 9, here becomes 10. Take 1 from 10, here becomes 9, here becomes 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 3 is 6. You bounce up the point, you put it back. 9 take away 6 is 3. And 3 take away 3 is 0. So the change that he received is $3.65. Moving on now to number 11. Draw an eraser measuring 4 and a half or 4.5 centimeters on the ruler shown. So if you start at 5, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half would be here. So you start at 5 and you end at 9.5. Alright. Number 12. The solid below is made up of cubes, each with a volume of 8 centimeter cube. What is the total volume of the solid? To calculate the total volume, all we need to do is to calculate how many cubes form in this solid here. So if you check it here now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we have is 14 on the top, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. So there's 14 by 4, which is 56. So we know we have 56 cubes at a volume of 8 centimeter cube. So to calculate the total volume, it will be 56 multiplied by 8 centimeter cube, which is equal to 448 centimeters cubed. Number 13, the cost price of the television shown is $2,400. After VAT was added, the selling price of the television is $2,700. How much VAT was added to the cost price? So they gave you the selling price and they gave you the cost price. I want to know the amount of VAT that was added. To calculate the VAT in this case, it will be the selling price take away the cost price in this case, because we know the selling price would include the amount of VAT that added already to it. So that would be $2,700 take away $2,400. which will give us a total of $300. So $300 on fat. Number 14, the clock shown is 15 minutes fast. What is the correct time? If the clock is fast, we need to take away to go back in time. Alright? If it is fast, we subtract. If it is slow, we add. So the time shown is 10:10 a.m. 10:10 take away 10 minutes would be 10 a.m. And now we have 5 minutes remaining to make it 15 minutes. So 10 a.m. take away 5 minutes would be 9:55 a.m. Shown below is a triangular prism. How many edges are 18 centimeters long? So we know it would be 1, 2, and the one in front here 3. So the answer is 3. Number 16. Circle the shape below with only one line of symmetry. So this O has here and here. This have none. This have one here and one here, like 2. So the answer would be B. Only one horizontal line of symmetry. Number 17. Complete the statement with a word from the box. Two lines that meet at a right angle is called a perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines meet at 90 degrees or right angles. Number 18, the bar graph below shows the weight of 5 different fruits. We have coconut, watermelon, papaya, pineapple, cantaloupe. So good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fruits and the different weights. The weight is in grams. They said which fruit weighs 3 kilograms. So all we need to do is to figure out 3 kilograms is equal to 3 by 1000, which is equal to 3000 grams. So which one of these here now is up to 3000 grams? So we extrapolating from here now and we realize is a papaya. Alright. Number 19, the pictograph below shows the amount of money Sophia saved over 5 days. How much money did she save over 5 days? So we know one of these graphics here represent $2.50. So what we can do is to calculate the total number of graphics shown. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that will be 15 multiplied by the amount that one graphic represents, which is 250. And 15 multiplied by 250 is $37.50. So that's the total amount of money. Number 20, they said complete the tally table below. For green, the tally is missing. We know the frequency is 14. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then we count this. 5 add 5 is 10, add 2 is 12. Alright, and that's it for section 1 for the test for 2025 Benco. Alright.